had to go through a lot of discrimination, a lot of, hatred, a lot of bad comments, a lot of superstitions. For me, I feel the biggest challenge was self-love because, the conditions were like that. The society I was living in, they made me hate myself. So for me, the biggest challenge was to, accept myself with vitiligo, love myself with vitiligo, love my skin, to get the confidence to show up to the world and not hide it with makeup, concealers, and etc. So yeah, that was the biggest challenge I feel. And about comments and stuff like that, I used to care, but gradually, it stopped affecting me. So yeah. An advice to younger girls, probably it would be that do not compare yourself with anybody on the internet. It is nothing like beauty standards which our society follows, because everybody is beautiful and they need to accept it the way they are. Self-love is very important, so yeah, focus on that. I think respect my skin is like my self-respect. If I will not respect myself, others also will not. Similarly, I need to respect, accept, and love my skin. Then, actually do not care about others. You just need to respect your skin, love the way you are, and flaunt whatever skin you have, whatever color it has, and whatever, mixture of colors it has.